I'm super stoked for my sellers and for the results they were able to give for the sale of this condo located in the cottages of Greenland. Here are a few things your listing agent should inspect prior to going live on the market to ensure maximum showings and offers.
One of the first things that I normally like to check out when I get to a property that I'm about to list is basically just check all the sinks, check the plumbing, flush all the toilets. Then next, for electricity wise, I just like going in all the rooms, making sure all the light switches work, making sure that there's no light bulbs that are missing or not working. And lastly, I do pay very close attention to the current condition of the property. I always recommend that my sellers, before hitting the market, go ahead and hire some professional cleaners.
Hiring professional cleaners can really make a buyer feel as if they are getting a property that's worth moving into. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that this is the end-all be-all golden checklist for listing properties on the market. There's so many other things to consider prior to listing any property. However, these are the final results when this condo sold. This condo was listed on January 6, 2021. It was on the market only for 1 day, and it sold 48 days quicker than the average agent in Northeast Florida. Our sellers also received $5,100 more than the average agent on Northeast Florida board. This was back in January 2021, so sellers now are getting plenty more as we enter the second quarter of this year. For any questions regarding real estate, don't hesitate to contact me or head over to my website for more real estate content, www.dailyfloridahomes.com.